What's going on, y'all? So 2022 is right around the corner, and a lot of people are starting a new year and they want to improve their fitness journey, but realistically most people do not hit their fitness goals, and a lot of reasons because they fail to plan or they just might have the wrong mindset. So in this video I'm going to give you 5 proven tips, 5 strategies that's going to help you maintain and sustain those fitness goals. Let's get into it. So if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Quan from BeFit Nominal. So I post videos about health, fitness, mindset, all for the busy professional trying to get in ideal shape. So check my videos out, and if you like it, hit the subscribe. All right, y'all, so let's get into point number 1. Start the New Year's off with a cleanse. So New Year's, everybody wants to get rid of their bad habits. They want to start new habits, but you want to start internally before you start taking out things externally. And once you start with the cleanse, it gives you motivation not only internally, but it gives you motivation to keep going. So the benefits of a cleanse is going to help you remove all those toxins from the inside of your body. It's going to help you with your digestion, and it's going to help you increase that energy. So I do this with a lot of my clients because in order to get those results, those end goals that you want to see a little bit of momentum, and this is a quick way to get a quick win. So there's several different cleanses that you can do. So I suggest you doing a green smoothie cleanse. So there's several different ingredients that you can put in there. You can put ginger, you can put lemon, but find some greens like green apple, spinach, kale, put it all in there and mix it up. All you literally have to do is just drink 3 different smoothies. So one for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And if you get hungry in between, you can have a salad or you can have some nuts, a small snack. That simple. Keep it from 3 to 5 days. So the process of making these juice cleanses are really simple, but if you want a detailed video, comment below and I'll make a step-by-step tutorial on how to create it. So let's get into point number 2. So this is probably one of my favorite ones because once you grasp this, I'm telling you, this is going to help you change it forever. So not only reach the goal, but it's going to help you sustain that goal over the course of your life. So the point is, you want to shift your mindset from becoming outcome-based and shift it to identity-based.
You smart.
So let me share a quick story about my client Janae. She had a really good year this year, but it didn't always start off that way. She saw a lot of success and people were like, how did she get to this point? So let me take you a little bit back. So she started off being really outcome-based. Like before she started working with me, she's tried so many different routines, different diets, all this stuff, and nothing really worked for her because she was constantly looking at the scale. Her goal was like, I want to lose 50 pounds, so every single day I'm going to get on this scale and I'm going to look at it and I want to see the outcome. What's the outcome? I ate good, what's the outcome? But once we shifted her mindset to becoming more identity-based, everything changed. So what's an identity-based mindset? So one of the things that helps me being consistent is I actually think of myself as an athlete. So even though I don't play on a team, I don't play any sports, I actually embody the identity of an athlete, and what happens is I start to do those habits of an athlete. So we started doing the same thing with Janae. Like, of course you want to lose 60 pounds, you want to reach all these goals, but once she started shifting her identity of the person she becomes, she started walking in those footsteps now, and it actually helped her accelerate her goals. So for this new year, for this 2022, stop wishing about the outcome. Don't forget about the outcome and focus brick by brick. Just lay one brick every day and start embodying that person that you want to become. And you can literally start walking in those footsteps now. And every day you start taking those steps, you will start shifting your identity. And I promise you it's going to accelerate your results. All right, so point number 3, I repeat, do not underestimate the power of small habits. So I've been training for years now, probably about 10 years now, and one of my peeves is when people come to me and like, man, I've been training for a month now and I haven't seen anything. Or, man, I've been eating good for a whole 2 weeks straight and I still haven't lost any weight. And I tell people, you cannot underestimate the power of small habits. So that athlete that you look up to, that girl you look up to on Instagram, she only looks that way, she only feels that way because she's mastered small habits. So when you're trying to reach your goal for this new year, try to operate in day-tight compartments. So don't think about the future, just think about each day and focus on your habits. So just master, okay, I'm gonna go walking, okay, I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna drink enough water. And you might not see nothing now, but I guarantee you in 2 months, in 3 months, those small habits will start to compound, and that will accelerate your results. So one way to start valuing small habits is to start using apps on your phone. So I mentioned this in the previous video, and one of my favorite apps to use is Habit Share. So I love this app because it really shows me what I'm doing on a daily basis. So a lot of us have goals, fitness goals, any type of goal, but we don't realize our habits and a lot of things we're doing just mindlessly. So once you start using Habit Share or any type of habit tracker, it really starts to hone in and starts to see your blind spots. If you had a goal to lose weight this year, what you can do is you can put your habits like I'm going to exercise and I'm going to drink more water in your Habit Share, and once you start tracking it, it's not only going to give you a dopamine hit and make you feel good that you're actually doing what you said you're going to do, it's also going to show you on the days that you're not doing so well. That way you can reverse that and get back on track. So don't be too hard on yourself, just focus on the small wins first, and just know that each day is a new day. So even if you mess up today, tomorrow is a new start and you can build up from that day.
I appreciate that.
All right, so point number 4, you have to make it fun in order to be consistent. So a lot of people reach out to me and they're like, what's the best exercises to get in shape? What's the best exercise for belly fat? And my answer is the one that you can actually keep up long term. So exercise for a lot of people, it could be really scary, it could be intimidating, especially if you're going to the gym. But I tell people there's many different ways to get in shape and to get fit. So you don't always have to just go to the gym or do hours of cardio. Do things that you actually enjoy. For example, in my family, we love playing basketball. I remember my dad used to take us to the park. He used to be playing basketball all the time. But of course, with age and with a busy job, there comes responsibilities and less time. So even though he has responsibilities and a busy schedule, he's found a way to have fun and fit in fitness at the same time. So what he does is every Saturday he has a group of friends and they meet up at the basketball court. So it gives them an opportunity to socialize and at the same time get in fitness. So if you're somebody likes this, who has a busy schedule or who just tired of going to the gym and doing the same things, find some things in your schedule to make it fun. And so whether it's playing with your kids, whether it's playing an old sport that you like, do something fun because that's what's going to help you maintain your fitness journey over long term. And my 5th point is to find a coach. So a lot of people set New Year's goals, New Year's resolutions, and you got to be real with yourself. If you're not hitting those goals and it's year after year, you know you keep hitting the wall, this time let's do it a little bit differently. Invest in a coach, invest in someone who specializes in knowledge that can help you out. In fact, if you're watching this video, I'm actually offering a free fitness strategy session for the first 30 people. So I'll put the link below in the description. So every somebody who wants to take your fitness to the next level, click that link and I'm happy to have a discussion. All right, y'all, so this concludes the video. Man, it is 2022. Don't listen to nobody. Set your New Year's resolutions, set your goals. I promise you that you can actually hit those goals. Let me know which point are you going to use and which one is the most effective for you. Keep grinding, keep doing what you're doing. You can do it. Also, thanks for watching this video. I post new videos every single week, so make sure you check out my channel and subscribe. Peace.